We all love pepper soup. That hot, spicy African dish that warms your chest, clears your nose, and sometimes brings tears to your eyes. The good kind. Made with flavorful goat meat or catfish, and often enjoyed with a chilled bottle of beer. But here's the question. Could the many spices used in making pepper soup affect your performance as a man? Could they help? Or could they hurt? Could they be silently harming your sperm cells? And what if you eat too much? Is it dangerous? How often should a man really consume this heavily spiced food? Could pepper soup actually boost your strength and vitality? Or could it secretly be doing the opposite? Today, we're asking the question most men are too shy to say out loud. Does pepper soup help or hurt your performance as a man? Stay tuned, because the answer might surprise you. And if you enjoy learning about real African foods and what they do to your body, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss another juicy topic like this one. Now, let's begin. Pepper soup is one of Africa's proudest dishes. It's not just soup. It's tradition, it's medicine, it's comfort food. It's made with a mix of strong aromatic spices like alligator pepper, uziza, African nutmeg, xylopia, garlic, ginger, and more. Each spice brings its own flavor, and as it turns out, its own superpower too. Let's start with alligator pepper, also called Aframamum melegueta, or as some people call it, grains of paradise. The name already sounds promising, right? Studies showed that this little spice increased male activity in animal tests. More mounting, more energy, and higher testosterone. Some researchers even found that it blocks the same enzyme that erectile dysfunction drugs target. So, the next time your auntie puts alligator pepper in your soup, maybe say a quiet thank you. Next up, garlic. The smell might send people away, but science says it can bring something else closer. Garlic improves blood flow by helping your body make nitric oxide, the same compound that helps you rise to the occasion. It also fights stress and boosts sperm quality. So don't run from garlic breath, it might just be nature's cologne for better performance. Then we've got ginger, the spice that gives pepper soup its kick. Ginger is one of the few with real human studies. In one research, infertile men who took ginger powder twice a day for 3 months had higher sperm counts, more active sperm, and stronger testosterone. Ginger doesn't just wake up your tongue, it might be waking up other parts of you too. Now let's talk about uziza, or Piper guinense. This one's a bit of a good guy, bad guy. In small amounts, it helps boost testosterone, sperm count, and performance. But at very high doses, like those concentrated extracts used in lab tests, it can actually harm the testes. So the message is clear. Enjoy uziza in your soup, not in a capsule. Other popular pepper soup spices like African nutmeg, Monodora myristica, Xylopia ethiopica, Negro pepper, and Tetrapleura tetraptera also showed good results in studies. They increase sperm count, testicular size, and sexual activity in animals. One study even showed that rabbits given Tetrapleura became more fertile. Imagine that. So yes, your pepper soup might be doing more than feeding your stomach. It could be giving your system a natural boost, but here's the thing. Most of these studies used concentrated extracts, not your average kitchen spice levels. Scientists gave animals hundreds of milligrams per kilogram, while we only use a few grams when cooking, so don't expect one bowl of soup to turn you into Superman overnight. But regular pepper soup, enjoyed in moderation, is likely safe and even beneficial. Here are a few real numbers from research. Aframomum, alligator pepper, 115 to 230 milligrams per kilogram increased testosterone. Uziza, about 120 milligrams per kilogram improved erection and sperm count, but higher doses caused testicular harm. Ginger, 250 milligrams twice daily improved sperm and testosterone in human trials. Your pepper soup doesn't come close to those levels, which is a good thing. It means you're getting the benefits without the risks. So what does this all mean for your favorite dish? If you enjoy pepper soup occasionally as part of a healthy lifestyle, it's good for you. The spices work together to support your blood flow, balance your hormones, and protect your body from damage. So let's settle it once and for all. Does pepper soup help or harm male sexual health? Science says it helps. At normal amounts, the spices in pepper soup are more likely to support your sexual health than hurt it. They can help boost testosterone, improve sperm quality, and enhance blood flow. So, enjoy your pepper soup. Let it warm your heart, your body, and maybe even your confidence. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. And if you love discovering the hidden truths behind African foods, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because we've got more eye-opening videos coming your way.